I was frozen in the 1800s, and I am just now waking up.
Oh man, come on in, take a seat.
So tell me exactly what the world is like today.
We have motorized vehicles everywhere. Cars, boats, trains, planes. We have roads and highways and skyscrapers.
Wow.
But beyond that, we have the most advanced technology the world has ever known.
Incredible.
We have endless information literally at our fingertips. We can reach out to any person, anytime, in any place at the touch of a button.
And what do people do today with this vast collection of information and knowledge and connectivity?
Check this out. This is going on TikTok.
Oh.